This video could save you your life savings. It's worth the time to watch it and comment. Here goes. They sound polite. They sound official. And every single day, retirees lose their savings to scams they never saw coming. Stay with me, because at the end of this video, you will hear 8 simple ways to stay safe. And the 8th one is the biggest protection of all. Before we begin, I want you to understand something important. Scams today are not a few people making calls from a basement. There are entire buildings run like call centers filled with people who do nothing but scam all day long. Some are paid, some are threatened, some are beaten if they do not steal enough money. Others are happy to take your money without a second thought. These scam operations exist in many places around the world, including the Philippines, Cambodia, Nigeria, and the former Soviet Republic of Georgia. There are even crypto fraud compounds where victims are groomed for months until every retirement dollar you have saved is gone. This is not about being foolish. This is about professionally designed deception. Let's talk about the most common scams targeting retirees today. Government impersonation scams. This is one of the most frightening scams because it uses fear. The caller says they are from the IRS, Social Security, Medicare, or a government agency. In Canada, they often pretend to be from the CRA. They tell you there is a problem with your benefits, your taxes, or your identity. They threaten arrest. They threaten frozen accounts. They threaten benefit cuts. Then comes the demand. You must pay immediately. You must not tell anyone. You must pay using gift cards, wire transfers, or cryptocurrency. Here is the truth. No real government agency will ever demand payment this way, ever. Scammers rely on urgency. They want your brain in panic mode so you do not think clearly. If you hear threats and pressure, hang up. That call is a scam. The grandparent scam. This scam is heartbreaking. The phone rings. The voice on the other end says, "Grandma or Grandpa?" They sound scared. They say they are in trouble. They claim they have been arrested. They need bail money. They had an accident. They are stuck in another country. Then another voice comes on the line, pretending to be a lawyer, police officer, or hospital worker. They beg you not to tell anyone. They demand money immediately. Retirees fall for this scam because they love their family. The safest response is simple. Hang up. Call your grandchild or another family member directly using a number you already trust. Real emergencies allow verification. Scams do not. Romance scams. These are slow, calculated, and emotionally devastating. Romance scammers do not rush. They spend weeks or months building trust. They send phone and email messages every day. They listen. They flatter. They make you feel special. Often they claim to be widowed, or working overseas, or involved in oil rigs, military service, or international business. Eventually a crisis appears, a medical emergency, a travel problem, an investment opportunity just for us. Money is requested. Then more money. Then more. Many retirees lose tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars this way. If someone you have never met in person asks for money, it is a scam. Love does not require secrecy or payments. Tech support scams. This scam usually starts with fear. A pop-up appears on your computer warning that you have a virus. When this happened to me, my screen was beeping like a maniac about virus danger and would not stop beeping and would not allow me into the screen. A wise friend told me to do a hard reset, not to merely shut the computer off, but to hold down the shut off button for a few moments. It worked. They disappeared. It can happen that a phone number flashes on the screen, or someone calls pretending to be from Microsoft, Apple, or your internet provider. They tell you your computer is infected. They offer to fix it immediately. They ask for remote access. Once inside your computer, they can steal passwords, banking information, and personal files. They may even show fake screens to prove the problem. Real tech companies do not call you out of the blue. They do not use pop-ups to demand payment. If this happens, shut down your computer and call a trusted technician or family member. Investment and crypto scams. This scam is exploding right now. Scammers promise high returns with little risk. They target retirement savings because that is where the money is. What makes this especially dangerous today is AI-generated videos. Retirees see on YouTube videos that look completely real. A president, a prime minister, a famous business leader. They appear to be speaking directly to you. They claim a special investment will make you money and help the country. These videos are fake, completely fake. People have lost their entire life savings believing these videos were real announcements. The fake Canadian Prime Minister Trump and others seem so real to the viewer. No legitimate investment opportunity is promoted through surprise videos, urgent messages, or YouTube videos. Governments have asked Meta to eliminate them. They say they will. That has not happened yet. Sweepstakes and lottery scams. This one sounds exciting at first. You are told you have won a prize, a lottery, a vacation, a large sum of money. There is just one problem. You must pay fees, taxes, or processing costs to receive it. If you did not enter the contest, you did not win. Legitimate lotteries do not require upfront payments to claim prizes. Paying fees means you are paying a scammer. Medicare and health scams. These scammers pretend to help. They call offering free braces, testing kits, medications, or services. They ask for your Medicare or health card number. Once they have your information, they bill for services you never received or steal your identity. Never give health or insurance information to unsolicited callers. If it is real, you can verify it through your doctor or official provider. Home repair scams. This scam often happens right at your door. Someone knocks and says they noticed a problem with your roof, driveway, or siding. They offer a deal if you act immediately. They pressure you, they demand cash or deposits, they perform shoddy work or disappear entirely. Legitimate contractors do not pressure you or demand immediate payment. Always get written estimates and check references. Phishing and email scams. These scams arrive quietly. An email looks like it came from your bank, Amazon, or a government agency. It asks you to click a link or confirm your information. The link leads to a fake site that steals your data. Never click links in unexpected emails. Go directly to the official website instead. Funeral and cemetery fraud. This scam targets grief. Families are pressured into overpriced funeral services or fake plots. Scammers know emotions are high and thinking is difficult. Take your time. Compare prices. Ask for written information. Pressure is always a red flag. How to protect yourself. 8 ways. Now let's talk about protection. 1. Be skeptical. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. 2. Slow down. Scammers rely on urgency. Real life allows time. 3. Verify everything. Call back using official numbers you already trust. 4. Never pay with gift cards or wire transfers. No legitimate organization uses these methods. 5. Guard your personal information. Do not share Social Security, Medicare, or banking details. 6. Use call screening and call blocking. Technology can help reduce scam calls. 7. Talk about scams openly. Scammers thrive on silence and embarrassment. 8. The biggest protection of all. Tell your family and friends that you only answer the phone after the caller speaks into your message system first. That way you know who is calling before you pick up. A great deal of scamming is telephone related. If the speaker does not clearly identify who they are, hang up. This one habit alone stops countless scams. Our final thoughts for retirees: you are not weak. You are not foolish. You are being targeted. Please leave a comment below this video. Tell us what you know about scammers. Subscribe to get the latest information for retirees. In the next video, I will share 5 sad and scary true stories where retirees were scammed and what we can learn from them. Stay informed, stay cautious, and most of all, stay connected.